Chicken of the woods, Laetiporus sulphureus.
Whoa, do you guys see what I see? Let's check it out. Wow! Look at this chicken of the woods. It's a beautiful yellow and orange polypore that's grown here on a dead oak. There's one from last year that rotted out. But what a gorgeous mushroom. It's so soft and supple, moist on the edges where it's still growing. Inside it's getting a little bit tougher, but this one is gorgeous. And you know what? There's another little cluster right here. Oh, it's so soft and beautiful. Wow, look at that. The color is unreal. And I think I saw another little cluster right over here. This one's a little bit older. So with this one, I would cut just the edge because the inside is gonna be a little too tough. What a gorgeous mushroom. Holy cow. There's also one little nascent nub growing right there. But since I've got that one and this one and these that are gorgeous, one more little nub right there, I think I might just harvest this whole cluster because normally I like to cut the edge off polypores, but since there's so many of them, I'm gonna just take this whole one because the whole thing is perfect and edible and will be absolutely delicious. God, what a beautiful chicken of the woods. Look at this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and actually harvest this whole cluster and leave the others, but I'm gonna use my knife to remove it cleanly, or at least as cleanly as I can. Let's get in here and see if we can do this. Oof. Wow. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Holy cow. I'm gonna use my knife to slice off some of this dirty stuff here at the bottom. I'll just leave that in the woods for the bugs and slugs. Ooh, there's a bunch of beetles and things crawling around in here. This mushroom is so wet. It's actively growing very quickly. Well, not anymore, but it was growing very quickly. So there's a lot of getacean and moisture in this thing. Oh, wow. What a beautiful, beautiful chicken of the woods. So I can clean this up a little bit more when I get home, but I just want to leave as much of it in the woods as I can, including the insect denizens. Look at that chicken of the woods. That is incredible. So chicken of the woods is an excellent mushroom for beginners because it's really easy to recognize and it's edible and absolutely delicious. The one thing you want to be really careful about is the fact that about 1 in 10 people are allergic to chicken of the woods, and so it can cause you to throw up or get diarrhea or both, which is really exciting if you've eaten a lot of this mushroom. So my best advice for trying chicken of the woods is to just cook a small bit of it very thoroughly. That's 5 to 10 minutes in a pan, and then just try a small amount and see how it hits your system, because you don't want to eat too much if you happen to be allergic. Cooking it well is paramount to having a good experience with chicken of the woods. There are very few actual lookalikes for this mushroom, which makes it very easy to identify. You do want to be aware of jack-o'-lanterns, which are not polypores. They are cap and stem mushroom. This has tiny pores underneath, which a jack-o'-lantern does not. It has gills. And there's another thing called a cinnamon bracket. When it's very young, you can mistake it, and that is actually a toxic polypore that grows on wood. Most people don't know about that, but chicken of the woods is generally very safe, very easy to recognize. It's better to eat species that come off of oak or hardwoods other than conifer, because there's a higher chance for GI upset with chicken of the woods that grow on conifer. They are still edible. Again, you just want to cook them really well. So check that out. Chicken of the woods, absolutely delicious, edible mushroom. Super stoked I found this. Another specific thing about chicken of the woods that helps you identify it is the smell. It has a very piney, woodsy, not deeply earthy mushroom smell, but it is very distinctive. And once you've smelled it, you won't forget it. Ooh, full of bugs. I'm gonna knock them out. Part of why I tap the mushrooms. Come here, bugs. I'm going outside. Look at all this beautiful chicken of the woods. This part might be a little tough, so I'm gonna use a knife to just trim that off. I'm gonna avoid anything that's too fibrous. Damn, look at that chicken. Cooked up some chicken in the woods. Let's give it a taste. Meaty, sweet, nutty. What an amazing mushroom. Chicken in the woods is so good.